What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. Well, it's been a while since I had a Saturday off, man, and everything happened for a reason, man. As well, I don't know if I said it before, but I've been using the wagon as my daily, man. I really love driving this wagon, but the old cars, man, and I knew I needed to do some repairs. And the more you drive it, the more things come out. And here it goes, man. First thing that went out today. This is I think it's called a heater control valve. As you can tell, wow, it got years on here. Some of this corrosion sometimes is because people don't use antifreeze and they use water. So the antifreeze helps with the corrosion, and it's just time to replace it, man. I went to breakfast with my little girls today, took the wagon, and we noticed a smell. Well, I noticed a smell of antifreeze. The hose busted, both sides. It's just old, man. So I just went, ordered the part right now. It's gonna be today around 5, and we're gonna replace the hose, man. So again, love driving my old schools, but at the same time, you gotta be careful driving these cars, man. You gotta pay attention to everything. Boom, boom. I'm glad I have my bag. This tool bag, man, I carry it on every car. It doesn't matter if I take the glass house. Well, I don't got the Caprice no more. Take the wagon. But now, every time I go out, this is the tool bag that I take with me. And to be honest with you, man, I kind of like that, because even here, I'm at the house, and look what I'm using. I can fix anything wrong with this car with the tools in this bag right here. So, man, again, if you're driving an old school, don't be caught without tools, man. Always have your tools with you. But yeah, man, little project that we had today. New heater valve went out. Gotta replace the hose, and we should be back on the road soon, man. You know what I forgot to do? I did wanted to get the gaskets, for the valve covers. I want to replace those gaskets. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I got people over. Again, it's been a minute since I had a Saturday off. Well, it's not that I haven't been off, but I always got something to do. And for the first time today, my schedule was free, man. So here it goes. The 56 is not back yet. I didn't go pick it up yesterday. Something happened last night. I couldn't make it over there. The car is still inside the shop, so it is good. Like I say, I trust that guy. He had the car for about a week before I brought it home. And hopefully tonight or later on today, I go pick her up. But right now, this is the project, man. If we get the car back in time, we might go out for a cruise with the girls, man. I don't know. But I still gotta go drop off the glass house. As you seen on the last video, I took all the parts already, and we're gonna drop off the glass house. We're gonna pick up the 56, and right now gotta focus on the Wawa, man. So a little bit of the day, man. So again, if you're driving an old school, expect the unexpected. Always have your tools with you. And bow. Thank you for watching, man. Let me keep on working.